Once upon a time, in a sunny, colorful garden, there lived a very greedy caterpillar named Carl. On Monday, Carl munched one shiny red apple. On Tuesday, he found 2 sweet cupcakes at a picnic. On Wednesday, Carl snuck into a picnic basket and crunched 3 crunchy carrots. On Thursday, he licked 4 scoops of yummy ice cream. Slurp! Brr! Brain freeze! On Friday, Carl gobbled up 5 slices of cheesy pizza. On Saturday, Carl felt terrible. His belly rumbled and grumbled like a lawnmower. He hid under a big leaf and moaned, "No more silly snacks." On Sunday, Carl nibbled only fresh green leaves. He felt much better and very, very sleepy. He curled up inside a cozy leaf blanket and slept for a long, long time. When he woke up, he wiggled, he stretched, and pop! Carl turned into a beautiful, colorful butterfly. From that day on, Carl promised to eat healthy leaves and sweet flowers. He fluttered happily through the garden, feeling light and free. The end. Thanks for listening to Carl's story. What's your favorite snack? See you next time.